Hey everybody, this is David Valentine here from Shaving Art Barbershop, and you guys already know, I have it in my hands. It's the Golden Clippers, the Master Cordless Limited Edition Gold Clippers. I got them yesterday. I got them at an amazing price because they didn't have a certain cover on the box or something like that. I just got it in this black box. I'm gonna do a little unboxing video for you guys today. So let's get to work. Let's open this baby up. Let's see what's in it. I haven't touched it since yesterday, still in the wrapper, everything good. So let's open it up. So let's start with the box. Take the little stickers off. You open this baby up. Let's see what it comes with. All right. Here they are. They're inside the plastic. Should I pull them out now or later? Let's do it now. All right. Here they are. That's what they look like. Getting the camera angle right there. That's them right there. Ooh, I didn't know that the blade itself was gonna be gold also. All right. Yeah, and the back of the blade. But the cutting part seems to be silver. So there it is. I don't know if you guys have the focus on that. All right. They still have the sticker on it, so you don't turn them on. You gotta charge them for 8 hours before you use them, or else the battery's gonna go on the fritz or something like that. Oh man, check this out. The lever's super hard. Check that out. The lever's so difficult to move. All right, let's see what we can do. Maybe we put a little bit of oil on that. The blade seems to be the same as the regular non-gold Master Cordless Clippers. All right, I like how it says limited edition, but I can see how you can see the fingerprints on the clipper. That's pretty interesting. All right, so let's see what else is in the box, shall we? Let's see what else is in the box. Put this over here. Let's get this out of the way. We'll throw that, actually let's not throw anything, we'll just put them over there. All right, so I'm guessing this is the charging dock. All right, that out of the way. I'm guessing it should be the same as the regular Master Cordless Clippers. Put that over there. Let's take the plastic off this. All right. Oh, this is awesome. It has that very rough, like carbon metal, very solid. And we have the golden plate there. Awesome. This looks amazing. Check that out. All right, let's put the clipper in and let's see what that's gonna look like. On my station, of course, I'm gonna have this. Boom. So you guys tell me, how does that look? All right, you got your little serial number on the other side. How does that look? You tell me. You guys tell me. I don't know. It looks kind of nice, doesn't it? Check it out. There it is. All right, let's keep digging through this box. I'm gonna keep this baby right here so you guys can have a look at it. All right, let's see what's in this box. I'm gonna use these immediately. So on my next video, I'm gonna just whip them out and start cutting here. Okay, we have clips here. You have the Andis guards. They're the ones that come with the little metal thing. I guess this is standard for like all the companies nowadays. That's what it's like right there. See, you have the charging cord, which I'm gonna need immediately. All right, I'm gonna need that soon. But this is the bread and butter right here. We got the oil, little manual, return policy stuff. Oh, what's this? What is this? Okay. So I'm guessing it comes with another one of these. This is what actually holds the blade on the clipper. They give you an extra one of these just in case Now, if I wanted to switch out this blade for, like, let's say a ceramic blade, I can just go straight to whatever beauty supply I get the ceramic. I go to Barber Depot, but I'll get the ceramic blade, and I can actually attach this to the back of the ceramic blade instead of having it to remove it from this cutting blade. So guess what? That makes life easier. They just sent you the piece. All you have to do is stick it behind the blade, then put your ceramic blade on this, and that's it. Problem solved. That's awesome, right there. That right there is awesome. All right, everybody. So this was the Andis Master Gold Limited Edition Cordless Clipper unboxing video. There you go, guys. Awesome. Hey, if you guys want to check out how this stuff works, check my next video. Also, I have other tutorial videos that you guys can check out. Remember, subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Thank you very much, guys.